Alright, what's going on, you guys? This is Ryan here, and the volume should actually be a lot lower. Let me just adjust that. 75%, that's okay. And yeah, so what's going on, you guys? This is Ryan here. And today I just want to test the PGYTECH landing pad over there. As you can see, my Mavic is already set up. I just want to test, I just want to test the home return to home by the Mavic Pro to see how accurate it actually is. And so this is the PGYTECH, and thanks to PGYTECH and DJI Global for their Valentine's Day giveaway. And so maybe before I take off, I'll just let you guys see just exactly where the Mavic Pro is positioned. Just slightly to the H there, okay. And what I actually have set up is the parameters for the safety. Set up the parameters for safety, and so return to home and everything should be okay. And let's just go ahead and take off. I'll give it a good couple of seconds before it actually takes off and flies off in another direction, so that it has adequate time to capture the landing pad, so to speak. And I'll just take it out for a flight. Gimbal motor overload, eh? What's going on? Land aircraft. Oh. That's my mistake. I actually forgot to take that off. Yikes. That's my mistake there. Sorry, guys. I might have been burning my motor like crazy. Hopefully it didn't kill the aircraft too badly. I hope not. So, elementary mistake is actually not removing the gimbal guard. Totally forgot about that. Hopefully my Mavic didn't die. Hopefully it didn't die. Alright, let's see. How is it? I think it's okay. Yikes. Forgot to take out the gimbal guard. Alright, let's just try this all over again. So we're gonna try again, and we will just take off and checking parameters. 45 meter return to home altitude, return to home. Alright, so let's take off. There you go, and we're just gonna fly off. I'm just sitting down right now. I'm not sure if I'm even in the frame. So right now I'm at 50 meters altitude and out by like 100 meters. And I'm going to test the return to home function by pressing the home button actually. So I'm actually not flying too far away. 100 meters out, 60 meters height. Just to show you guys, so you guys have an idea as to what's going on. Don't know if you guys can see that. No, of course not, you cannot. But trust me, guys, it says it says 175 meter distance and 62 meters height. All right, and I'm gonna just go ahead and press the home button. All right, now it's going home. It should descend, or it should just come straight back. I'm not doing anything to the sticks. The drone is facing this way, and it's flying back. It's on its way back, and it's gonna make its way back. It's right above us currently at 60 meters, 10, 5, 1 meter, and it is now just directly above me. descending, exited visual avoidance system, aircraft is returning, etc. So return to home is pretty good. Looks like it's coming down. And when it actually arrives, we will, again, I'm not doing anything to the sticks, just so you guys can see that I'm not controlling any of the movements of the drone itself. As you can hear, the drone is slowly coming down, slower and slower. I did take off of the landing pad, and so it should land roughly just above. And so there's the drone coming down. Again, I'm not doing anything to the sticks, and it's slowly landing, and that's where it is. All right, and let's go ahead and take the drone over, the camera over, just so you guys can see. And it's actually back onto the landing pad. I would say that accuracy is pretty darn good. Just testing out the Mavic's return to home feature, and yeah, that's it. It seems to work. PGYTECH, once again, thanks for the free landing pad. It's actually pretty good. It's a good landmark for the drone. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos, and I hope you liked that video. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That really helps me. And see you next time.